Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, an amazing community of technical analysts, amazing people, and we just have a lot of fun together. If you want to learn about charts, check us out, chartguys.com. Anyway, daily time frame. Silver had a very nice day today, good bull volume, and we managed to see a quick flush, and bulls really bought into the dip, knocking out a couple of key resistances, actually 3 of them, and we're in the area of 1779, which is almost a double top for us, very close to the high of October 3rd, which puts it into the area of being a double top. The fact that we pulled away without conclusively breaking adds a little bit of credence to the idea that that's going to be resistance we should pay attention to in the short term. And I'm not surprised we pulled back from that level. We knocked out the high day here, and our RSIs and some time frames are going to get a little bit hot. So it's not unexpected they're going to take a brief rest and consolidate. So if bulls continue this trend and we get a conclusive break and backtest over 1779, the next resistance on the daily time frame that I'm paying attention to is 1805, and then way up here at 1874. It's going to be a lot of work. And right now we need to remember that we are in a daily downtrend, so we are currently in the upswing cycle of that. Anything underneath 1874 is going to be a lower high. So what we're going to look for and expect at this point is going to be a lower high and a reversal. So somewhere around here, we got to be paying attention to trend changes and recognize that we're not going to go up forever if we're following this trend. And we need to be able to recognize when this upswing is going to end, and we're going to look for a down cycle. Of course, we may just blow right through 1874. It's all about what happens up here and being prepared to make decisions when we see scenarios manifest. Either it's going to go up or it's going to have a reversal. Either way, we got to be prepared for it and have trade ideas and be able to capitalize on opportunities. That's why we're doing this. That's why we're looking at technical analysis and being prepared. So daily downtrend in place, currently looking at an upswing. Bulls need to break over 1779 and 1805, and then we'll look for a reversal somewhere under 1874. On the 4-hour time frame, we got a nice little trend change here. We had lost our 4-hour uptrend, and even though we just broke slightly below it, I'm going to look at this and say, all right, bulls are in charge. We've knocked out a couple key resistances, but I do want to see a 4-hour higher low. I need to see 4-hour higher low over top of 1727, and then having those bulls come right back in and set a high over 1779. That's where our conclusive break has got to come from. Because if we go to the 15-minute time frame, our RSI, as we approach this level, was already overbought. So we're overbought when we get our first attempt. We come up for our second attempt. We get even a weaker response on bigger volume. Our RSI is at 58.45, which means on the 5-minute time frame, it's likely going to be overbought. And if we go and look at there, yes, 1778, we pulled back from it pretty conclusively. So 4-hour time frame, a lot of capability here to set a higher low. Bulls need to rest and consolidate on these sub time frames, and that's why we're seeing some weakness now. So as long as they consolidate and stay over 1727, bulls are going to be in shape for that upside continuation. On the hourly time frame, we are getting into, well, some people might say this is a little bit of a cup and handle type formation, and I'm going to clear my charts just to make sure this is nice and pretty. This is that upside swing, so our RSI overbought 1780, pullback, sideways consolidation, bulls trying again, a little bit too eager for my liking, and now what we need to see is some consolidation that would go like this. That's that rounded bottom, that resting period, and another attempt to break above 1780. So really, that's what it's about for the hourly bulls right now. They need to stay above that level, or to get back above that level to continue that uptrend. Right now, our higher low on the hourly is 1763. So unless we break above 1780, we're going to be looking at setting up possibly a hourly equilibrium, which if it does break to the downside, then we will have that opportunity for a 4-hour higher low. But if it stays inside and breaks 1780, then we will look to the upside with our next resistance at about 1805. That's it for today. I hope that helped. If you ever have any questions about this or anything in my videos, please do comment. I'm happy to answer questions. That's what I do. I love to teach technical analysis, and that's it. So thank you for watching and have a great day.